Self-taught notes begin to play. Dust notes dance and sun's last ray. A gentle rhythm starts to sway, chasing all stress away. Final crackle, a warm embrace. Time slows down its hurry pace, finding comfort in this space. Lo-fi whispers, a sweet sound on this tranquil common ground, where peaceful melodies are found and worries never can surround. Jazzy chords and mellow flow, letting all the tension go. This is where the calm seeds grow. Fingers trace the dusty keys.